arrival is keenly anticipated by brown bears, who start gathering along the banks of the bay as the salmon return. They've come for the ultimate teddy bear's picnic. As the salmon exhaust the last of their energy to spawn, they reach the end of their life cycle. What seems like a river of death is actually a vital regenesis. Rivers usually take nutrients out to sea, but here, the annual spawning returns nutrients to the rivers, feeding not just the bears, but also the trees for kilometers around. It's a cycle that is reset every year, where nothing goes to waste.